So far, na-enjoy ko talaga ang Amia. Architecture-wise, there's touch of modern and old Gothic design. Maganda yung place. Sobrang calm. Meron siyang sariling charm. Pag andito ka talaga, you really know that you're not in the city. It's very probinsya. Ganda, tahimik. If you want to relax, a day of relax, you can visit Amia. And it's just an hour of train. So, and one thing, yung church nila, sobrang ganda. It's a UNESCO site. So, you don't miss that. So, ayun. Yung video ko dito, it won't suffice how beautiful the church is. It's very nice. The city itself is nice. Okay, so we're heading to Sanlu District. Sabi nila, marami daw kayo nandito. Sabi ni ChatGPT. So maghanap kami ng ano. Ito kami maghanap ng kakainan. Okay, so may mga rent ng mga bike din dito if you want to rent bikes and visit the city using bike. Dito yun. And tong area na to ng St. Lou is like the university area. So madami talaga ditong kainan and young yung vibe. So ayun. So that's the area. Actually madami pa yan. Hanggang dun pa yan. So di ba, parang Venice. It's literally Venice of the North. Ganda kain. Daan. Okay, so we have decided to eat on Japanese ramen. Kasi yung weather, it's very good for noodles. So it's Fufu Japanese Noodle Bar. Order na kami. So we're here at the Centerville. Centerville ba to? Yeah, I think it's in the center. In Sanlu District. And we're having Japanese. Kasi masarap mag-soup. Don't be judgy. Kita. We're having lunch at Fufu Japanese Noodle Bar. Just in front of the Amia Cathedral. Okay, so our food is here. I ordered tantanamen. And what did you order?
I ordered sashimi.
Sashimi. So, ayan. Bon appetit. Actually, meron kaming gyoza. Kaya lang inubos na namin. Bon appetit. So, medyo maambon na. Pero inayos naman ni Kuya yung tayong. Okay lang. Sarap.
Kadaming extra kanina eh. Stop ko na.
Jules Verne is a famous author, and he's the one who authored Around the World in 80 Days. Pero hindi ko pa nababasa yun. So, ayun. So, ito yon yung Le Tour du Monde en 80 jours. Around the World in 80 Days na book by Jules Verne. So this is the house of the famous Jules Verne. So, ayun yung bahay ni Jules Verne. Kaya lang, bawal lang naka-short. Hindi kami nakapasok. So, wear smart casual pag nagpunta kayo dito. Or at least, something na hindi short. So, ayun. Summer naman, di ba? Okay, so since nasira yung itinerary namin, ayun, punta na lang kami sa Centerville or sa city center para dun maglakad-lakad ng konti. Hindi namin talaga na-anticipate yung dress code nila, but yeah. Next time, pag pumunta kayo dito, at least wear something smart casual. Kasi doon din sa church, actually, akat sana kami sa Bell Tower, di ba? And dun sa treasury. Kaya lang hindi kami nakapasok kasi naka-short din ako and si tita naka-open shoes. So, ayun. Pagpunta nyo dito, watch out for that. Gusto ko talaga yung vibe nitong city na to. Sobrang kalmado. And then, sobrang, alam mo yung architecture niya, ang cool. One side is very gothic, and then the other side is modern. Ang galing. It's a mix of modern and old architecture. Galing. And sobrang tahimik, nakakadilim. Giniginaw na siya.
Pag walang hangin, hindi naman malamig.
Short pa more. Summer. So, ayan. Yan yung passage, mga bilihan. May pharmacy, food, mga fast food, mga bilihan ng damit, bangko. Ayan, dito. And then, this is Journal Leclerc. Parang tagdan, monumento nila. So since talagang hindi nagpatinag yung ulan, nagpunta kami sa Glisi, malaking mall sa Amia. Doon kami yung nag-ubos ng oras. At bumili si tita ng jacket. Kasi ang lamig. Diba? Of all the days. So, andito ulit kami sa Gare di Amia. Kasi balik na kami ng Paris. Okay, so we're done with the date today. So just the recap. We are here in Amiens, France. It's 1 hour and 20 minutes away from Paris Gare du Nord. It's in the northern side of France. We first visited Cathédrale d'Amiens or Notre-Dame d'Amiens. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's really nice. It's one of the biggest cathedral here in France. And then we had lunch in Saint-Lô district. And then we had cruise or boat ride in Ortillonnage or the floating garden. And then we visited Jules Verne House. Although we didn't get in kasi nga we're wearing shorts. Ayun. So just for your reference, when you're here, you try to wear at least smart casual na damit para makapasok kayo. We didn't really anticipate the dress code. So ayun. Everything is okay. Sobrang ganda dito. So I can say it. You can visit the whole Amiens in a day. So yeah, it's up to you if you wanted to do it in a day or 2 days. Just stay here for a night. It's up to you. But all in all, it's all worth it. So, ayun. So, that's all for today. And thank you for watching. Bye!
Mitch is not
Mitch is not here.